Hi, in this video we will see how you can integrate your Craft.io workspace with your Azure DevOps. Head to the integrations on the workspace settings and click to connect Azure DevOps. Under the project URL, you'd need to insert either the Azure DevOps version or ADO version. Username that you use to log into your Azure DevOps. Bear in mind that the user credentials that we need are for a user that has admin permissions. Same goes for the user that creates the API token. So let's see how we can create a new API token. Heading to Azure DevOps, Settings, Personal Access Tokens, and let's create a new token here. We need to name it first. And in terms of the expiration, let's go as far as we can, custom defined, and a year from today, so the 9th of February 2023. And in terms of the work items, we want to support read, write, and manage permissions. Click to create, copy the token, and I highly recommend to also keep it in a secure location afterwards. So going back to Craft, let's paste it here. Click on Next. And here we need to define which DevOps project we want to integrate with and name the integration. In the next step, we'll head to the mapping between your Craft.io fields to the respective fields in DevOps.